Alright guys, what we're going to make today is the very controversial dairy-free grilled cheese. I'm going to make it 3 different ways. Yes, it's creamy. Yes, it's delicious. And no, it's not vegan. So before your mouth starts watering, let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this pan preheated. Put it on about 5 or 6. Get it heated up real nice. I just got me this awesome griddle. Super excited about it. So anyway, I'm going to try to do all 3 of these at the same time. My wife's not home, so I must be pretty hungry to be doing 3 grilled cheese. While this is preheating, let's go ahead and get some mayonnaise right on the bread. So I don't do just a ridiculous amount of mayonnaise on my grilled cheese whenever I do them. You just do a nice thin layer. Just scrape as much off as you can. I'm going to do that on both sides. Let's go ahead and do an earth balanced butter one. Always let the butter sit out. That way you can spread it real nice. My grandfather would be turning in his grave if he knew that I'm not using real butter. He was a butter fanatic. But yeah, dairy-free cheese takes a little bit longer to melt. So you're going to want to turn the pan down so you don't burn the outside of the bread. Let's start stacking. That happened pretty quick. I had to get it under control here. Oh yeah. So notice how I'm doing a lot of flips here, but you see this beautiful, beautiful golden cheese, burnt cheese goodness. That's what you're looking for. Let's check this one out. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Provolone's starting to melt there. God, that's gonna be juicy. Gonna flip this one again. Just want to get a lot of heat in there. Like I said, with this dairy-free grilled cheese, or dairy-free cheese, sometimes it takes just a little bit longer to melt. Getting pretty close here. Nice crisp. That's what you're looking for. Alright, so let's get this wrapped up real quick, and we'll get them cut over here. We'll just kind of doll these up a little bit. Got that guacamole that I made. Put that right on top. Make it a fancy grilled cheese. Whoops. Put that right on there. Heck yeah, I'll just leave that. Beautiful. All right. Alright guys, so as you can see, we had that provolone jalapeno cheesy good mixture there. Look at how that melted. That's the creamiest and most delicious one. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have that one right now. That's got some heat, awesome cheese flavor, provolone, jalapeno, smoky. Perfect crisp on that bread. Next, you got the bacon and caramelized onion Miyoko cheese with nutritional yeast also in there, just to give it a little bit more cheesy flavor. Let's give it a whirl. Grilled cheese at its finest. It's 2019. We don't do the cows no more. You know what I mean? Then, regular grilled cheese here, and we shredded that Daiya. Okay, it doesn't necessarily string like regular cheese, but it sure melts real nice. And we got this awesome avocado with a little bit of salt and pepper and lemon. Just it's kind of like an avocado toast gone wild. Now, again, since my wife is not here, I have to eat all these. It's not going to be a problem. So, thanks for watching today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. I also hope that I showed you some different ways that you can make grilled cheese into something that's more adult. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to do so down in this corner. I got lots more delicious recipes coming your way. So keep cooking, and we'll see you later.